Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will show you how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And our journey today start from Raya Legian Street. Okay guys, let's see together how busy Raya Legian Street today. In this video, I make video around 10 minutes without skip in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street until Pantai Kuta Street, because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. And few days ago I already updated the situation at the moment on Banasari Street, so you can find video down this video. And also I already updated the situation at the moment in Popisland 1 and Popisland 2. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video, because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog, because this channel is about update situation at the moment in Bali and also tourism destination. So if you want to know how beautiful Bali, so you can find on playlist in this channel. There is playlist about tourism destination. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street. Actually, Raya Legian Street is the most famous main street in Kuta Bali, because in this area there is a lot souvenir shop and also a lot of hotel and some nice restaurant. So that's why usually in this area there's a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But today, yeah, it is still quiet, but there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Step by step also in this area is getting better. And on Raya Legian Street there is some shops still closed, but mostly the shops are open now. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And also I just passing, there is the shop are closed down there. Yeah, as I told you, on Raya Legian Street there is some shops still closed. And actually I'm gonna say like on Raya Legian Street is more than 90% the shops are open, but some shops still closed. Right side? Yeah, the shop still closed, isn't it? Just very sad. Yeah, we hope together Raya Legian Street is getting better and much better. More tourists come in and more shops are open. Okay guys, now we are near the central of Raya Legian Street. This area we call Ground Zero. Let's see together how busy Ground Zero today. Yeah, you see left side at the front, there is a monument of Ground Zero. Yeah, there is some motorbike parking in this area. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's just good, isn't it? Okay, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Popisland 2. Yep, Bagus Pub is already open, start from 30 of October. Actually in this area I was busy during the night time, but so far this area is still not so busy actually in the night time. We hope together in this area is coming back to normal as before the pandemic. When the night time, really busy in this area. Yeah, you see right side? There is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And so far on the street, it's not so busy, isn't it? There is not so many cars drive around on Raya Legian Street, because usually in this area is always traffic jam. And especially during the afternoon before the sun set down and on the weekend. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support so far on this channel, because you already watching my video and subscribe this channel, because your subscribe is make me inspired to make new video and keep update the situation at the moment in Bali. But if you subscribe yet, please subscribe right now. And I want to say thank you. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is some tourists standing beside the street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian street. So what do you think? Yeah, actually I'm gonna say like it is quite busy, isn't it? Okay, from Raya Legian street, now I turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta street. Yeah, now we are on Pantai Kuta street. Okay guys, let's see together how busy Pantai Kuta street today. Right side, there is Warung Made, always busy down there. I mean like, that restaurant is very famous. And also I'm really happy because in this area, there is more shops are open compared with the 3 months ago. 3 months ago in this area, there is a lot of shops still closed. But now, step by step, the shops are open. Yeah, you see? There's some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And there is some tourists doing shopping down there. That's just really good, isn't it? Yeah, but so far, it's not so busy. Because I make this video around 10 AM. So that's why there is not so many tourists starting to doing shopping. And also there is some shops still closed. Yeah, maybe I'm too early to make this video. You see right side? Some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Now it's more busier, isn't it? Because we are nearby central shopping area in Kuta. Yeah, there is one family also walk around on the sidewalk. Maybe now is school holiday in their country. Left side, also some tourists driving motorbike and some tourists doing shopping down there. Okay, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Kartika Plaza Street. And I already updated Kartika Plaza Street a few days ago. So you can find video down this video. Okay guys, now we are nearby Pantai Kuta or Kuta Beach. You see right side? Some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. In this area is getting more busier now. And also on the street in the afternoon before the sun set down, always traffic jam. So that's why I took this video early in the morning because there is a request from my viewer. They want to know the update situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta street in the morning. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Pantai Kuta street and let's see together how busy Pantai Kuta street today. Yeah, right side, so many tourists walk around on the sidewalk at the front Hard Rock Cafe. Looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, it is traffic, it's not so busy, but I'm really happy because there is a lot of tourists walk around on the sidewalk today. Yeah, you see, right side? That's just really good, isn't it? And also one car just been out from Medcure Hotel. Yeah, so many tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Okay guys, so far in this area is really busy. I'm really happy to seeing there is a lot of tourists already walk around on the sidewalk even in the morning. I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. Also about the weather. Yeah, the weather at the moment, sometimes cloudy, sometimes very hot. Bali in raining season but not raining all the time. So even now is actually is good time to come to Bali. And also it's good to stay in Kuta Bali because not so busy, but there is a lot of restaurants are open and also souvenir shop. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta street, exactly at the front Pantai Kuta or Kuta beach. So what do you think? Yeah, it is really busy, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog, because this channel is about update session in Bali and tourism destination. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.